In this video we will be taking apart this lawnmower fully with all these tools here. So first step, you're going to want to take apart this down there. You're going to unscrew this one bolt here, then you're going to want to do this little full thing, unscrew here and here, and then you're going to want to take out this pull star by unscrewing a bolt right here. Okay, so once you've taken out that, this here should just be loose. There should be these two, the speed and the throttle, and then the pull star over here, like this. Next up, you're going to want to take out these two bolts, like that. Then unscrew these one bolt here, one bolt here. You take out the back railing. So once you've taken out the railing here and there, you're going to want to take out this cover piece, this one and this one. So on the cover piece there was no bolts, it was just a few clips. Just unclip it from there. So next up, what we're going to want to do is take out the spark plug, disconnect this, disconnect this, and just take out the spark plug right there. Move to that side, and you're going to want to take out this cover here. There's going to be one bolt here, and that's the one you're going to have to take off. Yeah. So once you've taken out this cover here, you're going to see 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. You're going to want to unscrew them. So once you've taken out these 3 bolts, you should be able to just lift this off, and then this little cable here should just pop out from this little hole here. Then you got this whole thing removed. Now once you take it apart, take it out and set it aside like this, this and this here. So yeah. Next up, what you're going to want to do is take out the fuel canister. So there should be a hose here, take it out from this. There's going to be that bolt down there. You're going to want to take that bolt off, and then 3 bolts, one there, one there and one there. You don't want to take them off. Once you've taken out the fuel canister, it's already looking a lot better, the engine. Next up, you're going to want to take out these 2 bolts, one there and the other one right here, down there and there, to take out the carburetor. So this is what the carburetor should look like. And then down there, from here, then we're going to want to put this aside here with the 2 bolts to not lose them. Next up, you're going to take out this little cover here from one bolt here and another bolt here. This is what it looks like. Was there, now it's empty, with this whole thing out to the side there. Next up, what you're going to want to do is take out the exhaust. So the exhaust, right, side of the engine. This is the exhaust. First you got to take out the exhaust cover. There's just one bolt there and another bolt right there. So you're going to want to take those two bolts out. So once you've taken the cover off, you're going to see two bolts here, one here and one here, and you're going to want to take them both out to take off the exhaust. So once you've taken out the exhaust from there, you're going to want to take out this big case here. So what we're going to want to do, take out 1, 2, 3 bolts here, 1, 2 bolts here, this bolt here, and then another bolt here. So once you've taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, just come off. Should look like this. Put this to the side with all the screws that come with it next to it. Then what you have to do, take out 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. These 4 bolts, they're separate, but yeah, first let's take these 2 out. So once you've taken out 1 bolt from there, 1 from there, it does feel quite magnetic. Well, look, here, quite magnetic, like that. Then you see a little cable here that's connected. What you're going to want to do is take out the cable. Right. It's quite hard one-handed, you know. Should. So take that thing out. Put this aside with the bolts that you've got. Then you're gonna want to take out this. Is where all the fuel oxygen goes in. You're gonna want to take out 1, 2 bolts from here. Like so. Once you've taken out from there, you'll want to take out, put this wire that you got, pull it all the way out, right, as far, so once you've taken out the wire, then once you take out these 2 bolts, 1 there and 1 there. Once you've taken that piece out from here, this is what it should look like for now. Just a bare engine with a cylinder head here, like that. You're going to flip the engine to its side to take out this blade here. There will be 1 big nut in the middle and then 3 smaller bolts. Problem is, I have snapped the 3 bolts off, so the only thing holding is this 1 big bolt here. You're going to unscrew that and put the blade to the side there. Then you're going to want to take out these 3 bolts here. They're the things that are holding on the engine to this lawnmower. You're going to want to take them out. So once you've taken out the bolts, this is what it should look like. The engine is over here, like this. Yeah, we've got all these pieces, bolts, exhaust, filters, here, here, and the exhaust. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comments.